open your Play Store and install the Snapseed app. If you want the link of the application, check in the description. Now open the Snapseed app and just tap here to open the image. And now select the image. Now click the tools. And now you select the healing tool. Just zoom this image and just remove this. And just click the OK. Now click the tools and select the HDR and increase or decrease as you wish. Now click the export and save the image. Now just open the Snapseed application and tap to select the image. And now zoom the image. Now select the tools. From the tools, select the healing tool. Now click the OK. And now select the tools and select HDR. Now export the image and save the photo.